Your doors are more than just entry points to your home. They contribute to security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even the overall functionality of your living space. However, like all parts of a home, doors don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear can impact their performance, leaving you with less than ideal functionality and efficiency. If you're in Meridian, here are the top signs that it might be time to replace your door and upgrade to something better. Difficulty opening or closing. One of the most obvious signs that your door needs replacement is if it's difficult to open or close. This could be due to warping, swelling, or misalignment caused by changes in temperature and humidity over the years. A door that doesn't operate smoothly isn't just inconvenient, it could also indicate structural issues that compromise security. Drafts or poor insulation. If you feel a noticeable draft coming from your door, it's a clear sign that the door is no longer sealing properly. This can lead to higher energy bills as your heating or cooling systems work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Upgrading to a new door with modern insulation features can help improve energy efficiency and keep your home comfortable year-round in Meridian's varying climate. Visible damage or wear. Over time, doors can accumulate cracks, dents, rust, or even rot, in the case of wooden doors. Not only do these issues affect the door's appearance, but they can also reduce its structural integrity. A damaged door is easier to breach, potentially putting your home at risk. If your door is showing significant signs of wear, it's time to consider a replacement. Outdated style. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks outdated or doesn't match the rest of your house's aesthetic, it might be time for an upgrade. A new door can instantly boost curb appeal and even increase your property's value. Choose a modern, stylish design that complements your home's architecture to make a lasting impression. Water damage or moisture issues. Water damage is a common problem for older doors, particularly wooden ones. Signs of water damage include swelling, peeling paint, or mold and mildew growth. Moisture issues can weaken the door and lead to long-term structural damage if not addressed. A replacement door with proper sealing and weatherproofing is essential to prevent these problems. Security concerns. Your door plays a crucial role in protecting your home from intruders. If the lock mechanisms are outdated, the door frame is weak, or the material is compromised, your home may be at risk. Upgrading to a modern door with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems can provide the peace of mind you need. Noise pollution. If your door allows in a significant amount of outside noise, it's likely not providing adequate insulation. Modern doors are designed with soundproofing features that help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Replacing your old door can significantly reduce noise pollution, especially if you live in a busy part of Meridian. High energy bills. Older doors often lack the energy-efficient features of modern models, such as insulated cores or double-pane glass. If your energy bills have been steadily climbing despite no significant changes in usage, your door could be a contributing factor. Replacing it with an energy-efficient option can save you money in the long run. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself constantly repairing your door, whether it's fixing the hinges, replacing weather stripping, or repainting, it might be more cost-effective to replace it entirely. A new, low-maintenance door will save you time and money while improving your home's overall functionality. Upgrading your door in Meridian. When it's time to replace your door, consider the many options available to enhance your home. From traditional wooden doors to durable steel and energy-efficient fiberglass, there's a style and material to suit every need. Many modern doors also come with advanced features, such as smart locks, built-in blinds, and enhanced weatherproofing, to make your home more secure and convenient. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs that it's time to replace your door is the first step toward improving your home's safety, efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're experiencing any of the issues listed above, don't delay. Upgrading to a new door can transform your living space and provide long-term benefits. For homeowners in Meridian, professional door installation services can ensure your new door is fitted perfectly and performs flawlessly. Contact a trusted door installation expert in Meridian today to explore your options and take the first step toward a better, more beautiful home.